Some days are hard,
and you know your
time will come. You'll get your chance to run. We're living in America. You're living in the home of the dream. You're living in America. Just make it what you want it to be. Soap opera child with hope in her eyes, looking for a starring role. She came into town and acted the clown. Had a long, long way to go. Waiting on tables and pumping gasoline. She served an agent, now she's a movie queen.
you see it's okay.
It's all okay.
To find your own way.
Hold on to your
Keep
dreams.
on trying all day.
Sometimes it's hard.
Know the
Time will come for each and every one. You're living in America. You're living in the home of the dream. Don't be afraid. You're living in America. Just make it what you want it to be.